Welcome guys, welcome to another video of Study We Like. In this video we will learn about the transition metals of the periodic table. So let's begin. Before studying the chapter, we should learn the prefaces describing it. The first, we will state where the transition metals are located in the periodic table, describe some of the physical and chemical properties of the transition metals, construct what equations for chemical reactions involving transition metals. Now we will study about the location of the transition elements. Transition elements are those elements which are located between group 3 to 12 in the periodic table, which is basically the middle of the periodic table. Now we will learn about the physical properties of the transition metals. The first one which we will be learning is the similar properties related to most metals. Like most metals, transition metals conduct electricity when they are either a solid or a liquid. They can also be described as a shiny when they are freshly cut. And properties related to transition metals. Compared to other metals, transition metals have higher melting points, higher densities, and harder and stronger. These are general physical properties of transition metals. There are exceptions such as mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Now we will learn about the chemical properties of the transition metals. First, the first chemical property, reaction with oxygen. Most transition metals react very slowly with oxygen and some do not react at all. This is different to the alkali metals which are generally reactive with oxygen. Some transition metals react when heated with oxygen, copper plus oxygen, which gives copper oxide. And reactions with water. Like oxygen, transition metals react slowly or not at all with water. In the case of the transition metal iron, iron reacts with water to form hydrated iron oxide. This contrasts to the alkali metals which are very reactive with water. The second chemical properties which we are going to learn is, the first point in this will be ions with different charges. The transition metals copper, manganese, iron forms ions with different charges. This is shown above, like Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus. Reaction with halogens. Some transition metals react with halogens. Halogens can be found in group 7 of the periodic table. For example, iron plus chlorine, iron chloride. The transition elements share this property with the alkali metals, which also react with halogens, though very vigorously. Now we will learn about the third chemical property of transition metals. The first one are the colored compounds. Transition metals form colored compounds when they react. Other metals generally form white compounds. Iron compounds can be green, brown or red depending on the reactant. The colors are a good way for scientists to observe which compounds are present in a substance. And the other point is catalytic activity. A catalyst is a substance that increases the rate of reaction without being used up itself. Some transition metals can be used as catalyst. For example, iron is a catalyst in the process to make ammonia. Now we will learn about the uses of the transition metals. The first element that we will be studying is copper. Copper is widely used in electronics, most widely used in wires. It is also used in construction and is a good material to make pipes with. There is also a lot of copper components present in vehicles, airplanes and ships. Now we are going to study another element of the transition metal and its usage. This metal is iron. Iron is crucial for steel production. It has lots of application in construction, engineering and manufacturing. Iron is naturally found in the human body and is essential for making hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells which transports oxygen. Now with this we are ending this chapter of transition metals. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel Study We Like, and thanks for watching till the end. Thank you.